In this video, I'll show you how to rename your Google form so it's easier to identify and share. Whether you're organizing an event, running a survey, or collecting feedback, Google Forms is great, but the default title and link can be confusing. Let's fix that. Before we get started, remember to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. So let's get started. First, sign into your Google account. Go to the Google Forms website, click Sign in the top right corner, enter your email, click Next, then enter your password and sign in. Once you're on your dashboard, you'll see all your forms listed. If you're creating a new form, start one now. If you're renaming an existing form, locate it on your dashboard and open it. To rename it, click the title at the top left of the form. This is the default name. Type in a new name that's short, memorable, and relevant to the form's purpose. This makes it easier to find among your other forms and easier for others to recognize when shared. After renaming, click anywhere else on the form to trigger autosave. Google Forms autosaves automatically, but this extra click helps ensure your change is captured. Next, click Send in the top right to share your form via email, link, or embed code. For email, enter recipient addresses separated by commas, then click Send again. Note, renaming your form changes its title, not its actual URL, which remains a system-generated string. Still, a clear title makes your forms much easier to manage and reference. And that's it. You've renamed your Google form, a small step that makes a big difference when juggling multiple forms. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and like this video if this video helped you out.